transferred to Riz Academy after I was kicked from Gatterson High School. Nice to meet you.
Gojo, I don't think this guy's okay.
Yo, look, man. You can't have you just going around harassing the freshmen. It's a bad look on us and against the school rules. What? No freshmen? But those white purdy guyats. I need my guyats. I need my guyats. I need my guyats. If I can't have my guyats, then no one can. Maximum output. Purple, air this out. Everybody dying, me included.
What the freak is wrong with this guy? Gojo, you know yourself best. Let me get rid of this freak.
Alright, first of all, do not compare me to that walking hazard. Second of all, I'm the strongest, dude. I couldn't even tell you if I tried.